Galaxy Note 20 Ultra has leaked. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, what you're seeing right now is the real hands-on video of Galaxy Note 20, and man, it looks way better than expected. Also, I made a previous video on Galaxy Note 20 and this is just a follow-up to that, so make sure you watch that video. Link would be in the description down below. A few days ago, Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra's official press renders were leaked by Samsung Russia's official website, pretty much confirming the design we saw in the concepts. And now its hands-on images and videos were leaked by Jimmy Ispromo, so a huge shout out to him. First the photos were leaked and now the video. And this video gives a bunch of new info on Galaxy Note 20. First up, the naming code showing the settings has a U at the end of it, which indicates that it is a Note 20 Ultra model. It is running on One UI 2.5 on the top of Android 10. And also now it is confirmed that the S Pen is on the left side of it rather than on the right side, unlike the Note 10. And S Pen is also coming with a bunch of new features, like now it can also be used as a pointer for the display and much more. And the size of the S Pen is also the same as the Note 10. Plus the buttons are on the right side of it, unlike the Note 10 Plus, which had them on the left. And on the back we get our first look at the camera module, and as compared to Note 10 Plus, it is huge and it is also thicker than the already very thick S20 Ultra's camera module. We can also see that 108 megapixel main camera, an ultra wide angle camera, a 50x periscope camera, LED flash, and the brand new autofocus sensor for much quicker autofocus, and with those color coordinated rings around the cameras makes it look much more beautiful than the Galaxy S20 Ultra. Top and bottom are flat and sides are much more sharper than the Note 10 Plus. As of the display, if we compare it to Note 10 Plus, we get to know that the bezels are much more narrower, punch hole is significantly small, and it is also much more curved, giving it an almost bezel-less look. And this makes me think that this might be the best looking phone of 2020. It's packing Snapdragon 865 Plus or Exynos 992 depending on your region. If we compare Snapdragon 865 Plus to Snapdragon 865, it has 10% better performance with up to 3.1 GHz clock speed, 10% faster graphics, Wi-Fi speeds up to 3.6 gigabits per second, and X55 5G modem, which is absolutely insane. I really hope the new Exynos 992 by Samsung matches the performance of Snapdragon 865 Plus. Also, we are getting a variety of new colors: black like we've seen on the leaked video and photos, mystic bronze with matte finish like we've seen on the leaked render, and also a white color with a matte finish. Plus we get Samsung Unpacked Day teaser by Samsung itself, in which most probably it would be unveiling the Note 20, and the date on which it would be launched is August 5, 2020, so mark your calendars. And this teaser also confirms the mystic bronze color of Note 20. So yeah, that's all what I got today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to smash that subscribe button with that bell icon. Drop a like on this video and I'll catch you guys in the next vid.